Ndoire mboga ya guthi kuruga driver njera ni kuiya ngimwira bana ni nguthi yake ya kuruga.
Mboga imwe ya ciringi 40 tu niyo yacungiririe Robert Kihara gwikora moko-ini ma watho na gutuika mugeni njera-ini no ya Eldama Ravin thutha wa kwaga ciringi ngiri 10 iria rabataraga ta baini niguo arekereirio.
Ngirwo twa kiatu ingia huko asubuhi ngirwo igoti-ini kuma igoti-ini miezi 2 sukuma.
Wakumakania ni ati cira uyu wandikithitio ni Francis Mugo uria ni muru wa Ngina na Kihara na oho ni mutungatiri kanitha-ini uyu kuria Kihara arakoretwo akiruta wira kwa ihinda ona haria tugaga thakame ni nditu kuri mai ici ni irigithitie ingi Kihara ari umwe wao.
Many people, including myself, felt that he did not live up to his expectation as a leader of, as a man of faith and a man of cloth. We expect, because we hold him in much higher regard than how he's acted.
Sadiq Shaban ni umwe wa andu a wendi mwega aria maranyitanire kuhothithia mbeca niguo kuruta Kihara njera kuria maugite ni megukorwo makimuteithiriria kwirugamia ringi.
People can actually sit down as a society and agree on some of these things, because we know that the process of law sometimes can be very punitive.
Justice system and the courts will be able to treat petty offenders the same way that big suspects, people probably who are involved in NYS, Eurobond and other big scandals, they'd also get the same kind of expedient service and treatment from our courts.
Kwiragwo gutiri uthomaga na riene na nikio ona thutha wa kurekererio Kihara ndanetikira kwihugura arore thutha akiuga ni arikitie guthoma na riake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.